Hello, friends. Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and find the last shape we drew in our pattern? When we find that last shape we drew in our pattern, we will know what yesterday was, and then we can determine what today is. Did you guess yellow circle? Yellow circle was the last shape we drew in our pattern. So yesterday was Friday, March 12th, 2021. And we are going to move one square over, and that will be today. We always go left to right. So this will be our square for today, and we are going to put the next shape in our pattern in this square so that we know which square to come back to while we're working on our calendar today. So if yesterday was a yellow circle, what do you think today's shape will be for the pattern? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and do the pattern together and see if our guesses are correct. Are you ready? Green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock. Did you guess green shamrock? Good guessing. Let's put our shamrock into the calendar. And if you don't have a calendar, you can practice drawing a shamrock on a piece of paper, or if you want, you can do it with your finger in the air while we're drawing. Are you ready? So we'll start with the stem down. And then we're going to go to the right and we're going to make a heart shape. We're just going to go out and go bump, bump. And then we're going to do it the same thing on the top. Bump, bump. And then go out to the left. Bump, bump. Good job. And it's okay if our bumps aren't all the same sizes, or if our leaves aren't the same sizes as the other side. They don't have to be symmetrical. It can be however you want. We're all practicing and getting better with our drawing every day. Good job. Now that we've put our shape into today's square, we can determine what day it is. Do you remember how many days there are in a week? Let's count them up and say their names together. It's okay if you don't remember them all yet. We'll practice together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Thank you for doing that with me. I love it when we do things together. It's much more fun. So today is, let's go up our column and see, Saturday. Saturdays are exciting days. We get to hang out with family or friends or do something fun. Let's see. Saturday begins with an S. An S sounds like S. Can you say S? Good job. You kind of sound like a snake. Some other words that start with S are Sunday, salamander, socks. Those are all great S words. So Saturday, Saturday. 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 Saturday has 3 syllables. Will you clap them with me? Saturday. Good job. Let's do it one more time. Saturday. Excellent. Let's put Saturday into our agenda. Did you bring your agenda today? It's okay if you didn't. You can practice on a piece of paper, or you can practice with your finger in the air, making all the letters with us, or you can even just say it along with us, and all of that is great practice. So we'll start our sentence with 2 words, and they are today is. And today has a capital T because it is the first word in our sentence. T-O-D-A-Y. And then the word is I-S. And then we're going to put Saturday, and Saturday has a capital S because it's the name of our day. A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. And then a comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say our next word, which will be the month. And do you remember how many months there are in the year? Let's count them up and say their names together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. Are you ready to say the names? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember what month it is this month? I'll give you a hint. It's the 3rd month. If we go back to the top and count down 3 months, 1, 2, 3, that's the month that we're in, and it is March. So we have printed March at the top of our calendar so that we can always quickly glance at the calendar and know what month it is. And March begins with the letter M. Can you make the M sound? Try it with me. Good job. So March begins with the letter M, and some good M words are marshmallow, monkey. So March begins with a capital M because it's the name of our month. M-A-R-C-H. And March has one syllable. Can you clap it with me? March. Good job. One more time. March. Excellent. Let's put March into our sentence in our agenda. Today is Saturday, comma, and I've run out of room, so I'm going to come down and go back to the beginning here. March, capital M, because it's the name of our month, A-R-C-H. And next, I'm going to put in the number. And do you know what our number is today? What do you think it is? Good guessing. Let's see what yesterday was. Yesterday was 12. So when we count, we say 12, but when we put it in the calendar, we say 12th. Can you say 12th? Good job. So yesterday was the 12th, and we are going to add one more for today. So 12 plus 1. So when we're counting, what comes after 12? That's what 12 plus 1 is. Let's go back to the beginning and count all of our days and see if our guess is correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did you guess 13? 12 plus 1 equals 13. So let's put a 13 into our calendar, and you can practice on your piece of paper, or you can make 13 in the air with us. Are you ready? 13 has two digits, a 1 and a 3. So we're going to make a 1. Are you ready? Go straight down. Good job. Next, we're going to make a 3. And we start here and we bump out into a circle, come back to the middle. Then we're going to bump out again. 3. So a 1 and a 3 beside each other make 13. Thank you so much for helping me with that. So we say 13 when we're counting, but when we put it in the calendar, we say 13th. Can you say 13th? Good job. Now let's count backwards. Are you ready? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Now let's put the number into the sentence in our agenda. Today is Saturday, comma, March 13th. So we'll put a 1 and a 3, and then another comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say the year. And the year is at the top of the calendar. 2021, 2021. So we can put that into our agenda. 2021. And then a period. And that period tells us to stop. We're not going to say anything else in our sentence. Next, I'm going to practice my numbers all the way up to the number 13 because I want to practice my numbers every day so I get really good at them. You can practice on your paper or in the air with your finger, or you can just say them with me. All of those ways are good ways to practice. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good job. Thank you for helping me with the sentence and the numbers. That's a lot of work that we just did. Next, we're going to figure out the weather. Did you peek outside before we sat down to do our calendar today? What is the weather like where you are? Do you have lots of sun shining? We have some sun shining here, but there's something else that's going on as well. What about cloudy? Is it cloudy for you? We also have some clouds going on here. Is it snowing? Do you have clouds that are snowing? It's not snowing here. What about raining? Is it raining where you are? It's not raining here, but we do have sunshine and clouds. So it's partly cloudy, partly sunny. So I'm going to put that onto our calendar board. We have partly cloudy, partly sunny weather. Let's see, this one is a cloud, but it's raining. This one has a cloud, but it's snowing. This one's sunny, and we do have sun, but there's something else going on. Sunny and cloudy. So partly cloudy, partly sunny. And we already have 4 tally marks here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to add one more. So what's 4 plus 1? Now here's some good guesses. We're going to do something special because after 4, when we had another one, we put a line on a diagonal through there. So can you do that with me? You can practice in the air with your finger going on a diagonal from one corner to the other, or you can do it on your paper with me. So we'll go up here and we'll go all the way across. Good job. So when we have 4 tally marks and we add one more, we put a line across. 4 plus 1 equals, let's count and check if our answer is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. And we know that anytime we see 4 tally marks with a line through it, that means 5. So we've had 5 partly sunny, partly cloudy days this month so far. Thank you for helping me with the weather chart. Let's put the weather into our agenda. So I'll just put a little cloud here for my partly cloudy, partly sunny day. And then I'm going to look at the agenda from yesterday. So yesterday, I wanted to make soup, and I did that. So I can check off that I have completed that task. So that's good. I'm done with that. And now I can put in my activity for today. What are you doing today? Can you draw on your piece of paper what you're doing today while I'm drawing what I'm drawing? We can do it together. Are you ready? So I'm going to draw a couple cans of soup because today is Good Samaritan Day. And being a Good Samaritan means helping out somebody else that's in need. So sometimes there's other people in our community or in our neighborhood that don't have as many things as we do, or all of the things that we need. Some people don't have all the food that they need to eat, and so they're hungry a lot. And so if we donate some food to the community center or to a local shelter, we can help those people that need those sorts of things. So being a Good Samaritan would be donating some food to help out people who don't have any food, or being a Good Samaritan would be helping somebody that fell down. You could help them get back up. Or being a Good Samaritan is also standing up for somebody when somebody else is being mean to them. So if you see somebody yelling or saying mean things or even hitting somebody else, you can stand up and say, don't do that. And you can be a Good Samaritan by standing up for that person. So today, I don't know if I'm going to see anybody that's going to be in any need. So I'm just going to make an effort to take some canned goods down to the local shelter so that I can help some people that need food. And if I happen to see some other people along the way that need some help, I will help them as well. So now I've drawn my soup. I'll take a couple cans down to the local shelter, and next I'm going to print my name at the bottom. I'm going to print my name every day because I want to get really good at it. And I would like you to print your name as well while I'm printing my name so that you can get some practice. Make sure to put a capital at the beginning of your name. C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. When you have drawn your activity for the day, I would love to see it. You can ask your grown-up to email it to me. I would love to see what kind of activities you're doing, and I would love to see the beautiful pictures you're making. So if you don't know how to make all of these numbers or letters yet, you can practice by just making one letter every day, and you'll get really good at it. So yesterday we started practicing the letter C, and we're going to practice the letter C again today. You can practice by printing the C on your paper, or you can practice by moving your finger in the air in the shape of a C. So we'll start at the top here, and we're going to go around in a curve and end up back there. Next, let's do a lowercase c. Go around in a curve. There you go. The lowercase c is half the size of the uppercase C. So if you practice one letter every day, you'll get really good at it, and pretty soon you'll be able to make all the words that you would like. So yesterday I was feeling pretty happy. Got to do some fun things yesterday, like make soup, have some delicious soup, and share it with my neighbor. So I was pretty happy. Let's see, how am I feeling today? Oops. I'm going to donate some food to a shelter for Good Samaritan Day, and I'm going to spend some time with my family because it's Saturday, and I'll get some things done around the house, like laundry and some cleaning. Do you think I might be sad? Do you think I could be sad today? I don't feel very sad today. Do you feel sad? It's okay to feel sad. What about excited? Are you excited? I might be excited. I get to help some people today, and that's always exciting when I get to help some people. What about angry? Are you angry today? Disgruntled? Grouchy? Maybe you didn't get enough sleep last night. I get grouchy when I don't get enough sleep, but I don't feel grouchy today. What about concerned or thoughtful? Maybe this is a thoughtful face. It could also be a nervous face. What about happy or pleasant? I think I'm going to be concerned today. So I'm not worried, And I'm not confused, but I am concerned about people that need help. So I'm going to a concerned on my board today. And my good thing that I'm going to do today is tied in with my activity. I'm going to be a good Samaritan and donate some food today to some people that need it. And I will try to be on the lookout. I'll use my special spy glasses to see if anybody needs any help and try to help out as many people as I can today. So I hope you can find something kind and wonderful to do today. And I hope you have lots of fun doing it. And we will get together again tomorrow. Bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.